Hello friends, Jai Bharat. I am Dr. Jayendra Singh Jadeja, Professor and Head of the Department, Dungarpur Medical College, Rajasthan. I just got the news. The increasing numbers of health workers, doctors and nurses are getting infected in Rajasthan, Gujarat and elsewhere. This is very alarming news. I want to share with you all some of my solutions, suggestions and some innovative ideas how to control infections in the medics and hospitals and all the health workers. First of all, when a new patient comes to, majority of the infections comes unknowingly. When a new patient comes to the OPD in a government or private hospital, the doctor and medical staff doesn't know he or she may be positive. So unknowingly they come in contact and they incur the infection. To avoid this, I suggest creating an additional barrier of glass, maybe 4 to 5 feet high, 3 to 4 feet wide, on the table of the doctor who is consulting doctor for a patient. Patient should be on the other side of the glass and there should not be any hole in the glass. And a mic may be given to a patient and another mic to the and speaker to the doctor's side. So they can talk via the mic, and an additional barrier may be created between patient and doctor, because when the one speaks, a micro droplets goes in saliva and likely to get in the air and likely to get infected to the person's surroundings. Another important thing we have observed that when the patients are admitted in designated government hospitals, there are 40, 50, 60 beds in a single ward and there are no individual isolation. So there should be slight modification. A good curtain should be between two beds, and it is not difficult to create such curtain, to install such curtains, good quality curtains in all beds. So the 80 to 90% isolation will be achieved by installing the curtains between various beds. Another important thing, we are trying to protect ourselves by personal protective equipments, by N95 masks, etc. But the source of the infection is the patient, and patient sneezes or coughs or even talks. Lakhs of and sometimes crores of viruses may be emitted in the air, and so the medical staff and other patients are likely to get the infection. So not only the doctors and nurses and the medical staff, but the patient, COVID-19 positive patient should get the N95 mask and even the head cover, maybe a simple plastic head cover. So at the source of infection, we will be able to contain within this head cover and the N95 mask. Doctors should use the double mask, surgical mask inside and outside the N95 mask. And N95 mask after 5 days can be reused after disinfection. This guideline given by AIIMS Delhi. So double mask by doctors and N95 mask given to the patient and head cover also to the patient. That will minimize the chances of infection and creating the curtains in the wards. Another important thing is when the death rate is higher in some centers. So whatever treatment protocol you are following, like empirically we are giving the antiviral drugs, we are giving hydroxychloroquine, azithromycin combination. Whatever you are giving, give it the very first day, start for very first day. because any antiviral drugs given afterwards may not act. So even a case which looks milder, it may be that it may turn into worse and may turn into serious case. So please give it, consider it to give in very early. Lastly, the repeated surveillance by health workers should not be employed, should not be implemented. Once you have gone, you take the phone numbers, you can do the survey by calling the patient or video calling. Nowadays you have the facilities, and repeatedly health workers going to the each and every house. That is also very highly likely that they may get infected. Once they get infected, they also may transmit to others. So these are the few suggestions which I put forward to you. Thank you very much. Jai Bharat.